Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope that everyone is having a wonderful Sunday. Today I was wanting to show you a video of the projects that I started yesterday in the master bedroom and the craft room, but unfortunately I didn't get them done. But they're getting finished up today. So instead, I'm going to be decorating my mantle above here for spring. And as you can see, Mr. Bunny here is from my last video. This is where he's going to end up first, is up there. But before I get started, I would like to show you a little gift that one of my subscribers, Debbie Novak, sent me for French Country. I collect roosters and chickens, and this is just so cute. I mean, look at this. I love it, I love it, I love it. It is a pillow cover that she sent me, and I already put a pillow in it so you can see how it looks. And this is going to go up in my master bedroom once I get my furniture. And by the way, I did get an email today stating that it has been shipped out, but it could take about 2 to 3 weeks just to get here in town for it to be delivered out. So I'm hoping it will take a lot less time because I'm really needing that furniture. But this is either going to go on the little bench that I'm going to put in front of the bed, or it's going to go in the little reading area that I'm going to make in the corner. I haven't decided yet, so I have to wait till I get the furniture and see. So we're going to get started on the mantle up here, and I have a few items, as you can see, sitting around that I'm going to do. And I will not be doing this step by step. As you can see, I'm sitting on this ledge. I will show you what I have to do. I have to stand on this ledge and get up there, and it's really difficult for you to see what I'm doing because I'll be blocking the camera. So I will do this layer by layer and show you what I've done. So let's get to decorating. First up, I'm going to show you the items that I'm going to be using. I have these candlesticks here, the red ones. Ignore the ones to the right. They're going to be getting moved later. Got a bunch of greenery, my 3 bunnies, and some flowers. And I'm mainly going to have yellow, but there is some of this hot pink color. And the bunnies here, as you remember, the tall one is what I call my chocolate bunny. I did take the bow off of him, so he'll blend in better with the other bunnies. This little bunny laying down here, I got from Pier 1 a few years ago. And this bunny, I got a few years back at Tuesday Morning. So all 3 of them are going to go up above on the mantle. And I just want to show you that we have steps coming down. So there's this little ledge that I have to stand on, and it's a little difficult, like I said earlier, to show you what I'm doing, because I'm kind of like hanging off the edge here and holding on to the mantle up above. So let's see what I have going on at the top of the mantle. Okay, here is the mantle, and I already had that medallion up there from earlier and my wall sconces. They have the battery operated candles in it. I love to decorate with those. It looks so nice at night. And I will be getting up there and showing you the first layer. Here's the first layer. I put the 3 bunnies up there and the 3 candlesticks with candles on them. The candles are the battery operated ones too. Now I'm going to be adding the greenery. Here it is with the greenery on. I think it's looking really cute right now. Next I'm going to be adding the yellow and the pink flowers. Here's how the mantle ended up. I just added a few flowers, and I did add a little bird's nest right there by the big chocolate bunny. Next thing I'm going to do is the table that is over to the right. Yeah, this table right there. I'm going to do something with that, move those candles, and eventually that stuff's going to be gone too. So let's head on over to the table, and that one I will do step by step. Okay, so I have taken everything off of the table except for the lamp. It is on a timer. We do use it in here to help light up this room. It's pretty dark at night. Let's get started on the first thing I want to put up. If I had a better lamp, I would definitely change it out. I'm just going to put this book here. It's not anything fancy. It's one of those storage books that look like a book, but it's really for storage. And I'm going to put this bunny here. stick some stuff in that. I like to keep it open. And I have this bird's nest. I'm going to fit into here. You can see everything. Down here. Yes, everything's on the floor here. And I'm going to use this cabbage. This was on my dining room table when I did the tablescape. And that's going to be changing out in there here soon. I still have some stuff in there for my craft room. Hopefully I can get that going. I'm going to set that right there with the bunny. Whoops. Uh-oh. Knocked over my terracotta pots, but they didn't break. Little tiny terracotta pots that I like to use. And these have been some I got at a garage sale, so they have a little bit of dirtiness to them, which is what I like though. I'm just going to set those there for right now. I'll come over here and grab some greenery. Alright, I'm back. I was just going to stick a little bit of greenery right there. I'm going to put a little bit more. That might be too much right there. Let's try this smaller greenery right there. Got one more piece over here. Down right there. Just right there. Okay. I'd like to use these carrots. I don't know. I like these carrots. I got these carrots and the cabbage at Hobby Lobby a long, long time ago. Put a few carrots in here. And the bunny I got a few years back at Tuesday morning. My favorite places to shop. Not sure how I want to do those. I like to use all three of these, but I think since this is a tight spot, it's not going to work out that way. All right, let me do a little bit of tweaking on this, and I will be right back. Okay, so this is how it turned out. I decided just to use 2 carrots instead of 3, and I moved the pots around a little bit. I'm still not liking the lamp. I think that's what's throwing me off. It's an existing lamp. It's on a timer in here. I have more Tuscan style in this room. So I'm thinking about taking one of those white lamps from the dining room buffet that I put the green and white lampshades on that I got at Goodwill. And if you think that would look better, which I think it will, I'm not sure, it might be too green for this area, I don't know. Give me a comment down below and let me know what you think, and I'll try it out and do another video on that. And again, I'm going to grab down here real quick. I want to thank Debbie Novak for this lovely pillow cover. And I had a pillow that fit perfectly for it, and I appreciate it so much, Debbie. And I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye for now. Sorry, I forgot that I was going to do some close-ups of everything. Just ignore the lamp, please. I think I'm really going to change that out. But I do like the way this looks. Get a little bit of spring right here, and I have a small greenery wreath that I could put up there and maybe put a few flowers in it. I'll pan over here. If I can, I had to step down, sorry. So there's all that. Let me see if I can get over here. Like I said, this is a little hard to do things. To show you, I got a step ladder here. Since this, as you can see, I'm holding the camera way up as we have that double step going up here. So let me get on the step ladder and get a little closer for you. Okay, this looks a little better now that I'm up on the step ladder. Yeah, it's the only thing I don't like about decorating on this mantle is it's not on the ground and I have to be on a ladder if I want to put anything up high, or I have to stand on that ledge down there. So I am going to be changing this little area out here, and I might be putting something on this side. Not sure yet. That will be in the next video, and I'll probably have that lamp changed out by that. So, again, wishing everybody a very happy day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.